This video looks at making changes to rooms on a global or selection basis. So you may want to start reprofiling your rooms. We've imported the GBXML geometry. It will use the default profile, so every room will be set up as an office. So for example, the corridor will still be displaying the template profile for office. Now we could change these individually if we wanted to. So you can see there, I've changed that manually. Much quicker way of doing this is to use the room profiles. So if we go into the edit menu and select the global room editor, we can then isolate by profile, floor and zone. Well, we can't isolate on profile at the moment because we only have one profile assigned. So to keep things simple, I'm going to go to the ground floor. Let's say the ground floor is going to, we want to change all of the spaces on the ground floor for underfloor heating. What we can do, having isolated all of those spaces on the ground floor, I can go to the MISC tab and I can tick underfloor heating installed, apply that, and OK. So that means then every room space on the ground floor, when you double click on it, will have that underfloor heating applied. I could change my profiles as well. So again, if I go to the global room editor and I isolate by ground floor, if I select the various profiles for the WCs, I can change those. What I'm then going to do is, based on template profile WC, toilet, and at the same time, if I wanted to, I could apply a ceiling grid. So I could say I've got 600 by 600 tiles, grid height 3 meters above the floor, and I want the tile center at room center, and apply that. And that will then populate those WC areas with the ceiling grids. I then apply the profiles for the offices. So again, selecting my office spaces, grab all of those office spaces, put my ceiling grid in. In this case, because the base profile is an office anyway, I don't need to mess around with the profiles because it's already set up as an office. So all I then do is apply those ceiling grids. And that then introduces the ceiling tiles using the profile editor. So you can make all sorts of changes. You can apply an SBEM profile. You can also look at the calculate the ventilation rates. So all you're doing really is filtering your spaces either on the profile, the floor, the zone, and making those changes.